You got an iPad. Pretty cry sis, pretty cry. What's up T&S family? We're back with another vlog. And today it is my graduation. Chris is graduating. Anyways, Chris is graduating today and we just came to Uni Hill so we could grab a few things as well as look for her outfit that she's gonna wear tonight. What are you thinking tonight, sis?
I don't know, but it's whatever I find because I'm so last minute. Like,
oh my goodness, this girl, we were like, what are you gonna wear?
I don't even care.
Where are you gonna go and get your outfit, your special outfit from? She's like, I don't care. So yeah, we're looking for an outfit for her to wear. Are you doing anything specific, like 2-piece, 1-piece?
No.
She just wants to be really comfortable.
Yeah.
How does it feel to reach this milestone?
I feel really good. I can't take this much.
She feels really good, family. What has it taken for you to reach the end of this journey of 13 years of schooling?
Doing my work.
This girl hates school.
Yes, I do.
She hates, oh my gosh, why am I so easy? Anyways, are you ready, family? And oh my goodness, we're so excited. Like, let's just roll a little snippet of the Ula Lollies. Our sister's graduating! And so we're making Ula Lollies because her graduation is on Thursday. And we're so excited for her because like, she's the baby of the family. She's like graduating and we're waiting for Lanston to start school now. And then we've got to do the whole process all over again. Anyways, our family is so proud of you, Chris. Oh my gosh, a little message to my sister. Chris, you are awesome, you are beautiful, and you are so intelligent. I appreciate you. Me and my husband appreciate everything that you do for us, and I appreciate you for just being good girl. She is seriously a good girl, and we love you, and we cannot believe you did 13 years of schooling and officially you are graduating. So, Julie, you want to say anything about her?
I just want to say
I look ugly.
no, I don't know.
Say something about her.
Yes, sister, we're so proud of you. Congratulations on this big milestone in your life. 13 years of school completed and we are so proud. You have done it. You have made it. And you've made it. Like, you know how you have those teenagers that go and do other stuff? No, she's just stuck to school. And yeah, we're so proud. See you later.
Alright family, so now we're going to start the process of making these Ula Lollies. My mum has made one so far. She made a lolly one. I'm just going to show you.
That is actually not finishing it.
So this is the first one that my mum has made. And Julie is just going to tie the ribbons. So I'm gonna let you guys watch her. So my mum sorted out her chocolates. She's put, she's cut a few ribbons and she's put it in a bowl right here. It's better to be tidy about your, like how you're doing your stuff, so then you're not making a mess as you go. I'm going to test it on the graduating girl. Receiving her year 12 diploma. Christine Tanivasa. Oh, graduate with honor. Graduate with honor. Oh, graduate with honor. Graduate with honor. That's actually perfect size on her because she's so short. I'm tall.
And yeah, so we did all of those on Tuesday. 2 nights ago we finished all the ula loles. We've just got to do a few more today. Not actual ula loles. We're gonna do like dollar burger. We're gonna be doing burger ula loles, and then we're gonna just finish off with some chips ula loles. But yeah, we're looking pretty good on the ula loles. Pretty good.
Watch this space. Stay tuned and wait to see what. Stay tuned, guys. Don't leave. Oh, before we go, did you click that subscribe button down below?
I was gonna say what?
Click it right now. Somewhere down here. Is it down there?
It's on the left. It's on the left.
Yeah. Click the subscribe button down below. If you aren't subscribed to Tuxx and I, make sure that you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. And if you are a viewer and you ain't subscribed, okay, so this is the graduation girl. She's looking slim as ever. Get it, girl. Show us your dress. So I bought this for my sister last year. Was it last year? No, this year.
Beginning this year.
This year. I think so. When I went to South Dad. But oh my goodness, move back. Take off the bag. Okay. Stop, Lanston. Okay, throw it into a montage. Lance is like, oh no, auntie. Auntie.
Ready?
O ka se mesi.
Go. I know.
Whaftai le atua, ia o whatau nuina ma le mania, ia o onga fo ia le afine. Ia o la pepe lea, ia o wha iwina ma le mania lo na tau sanga ni. Sfululua, ia o te whaftai le atua, ono o sta maitai, e sili o stai, o sta maitai fui. Oh, she's my helper, and she's my carer, and she's my doctor. Yeah, every time I'm sick.
Wow. Not the getting teary ones.
Every time I'm sick, and she's there for me. And then I just say thank to the Lord for his blessing on my youngest baby, and then baby, well done. Well, go on, keep on keeping on, and then next year go to like find more
Find money.
find a work for us. You work for mom.
You're not wearing makeup. Wait, girl. You're okay. You're okay. Emotional things. Our family is an emotional family.
Before we leave, baby, yeah, we all preparing for your last day of school, and then me and Julie and Papa decide to make something for you. I know T&SFAMILY, they preparing the other stuff you can see soon. And then now, well, we're going to give you the thing. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes. Okay.
Tell me it's open.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
Congratulations.
Oh, she's crying. Sis, open your gift. Give me your flowers.
Because the whole year, no phone. Now she finished, and then we decide to fill their phone.
Oh,
Looking for a job, no looking for
go baby. Oh, this is so cute. You got an iPhone. You got an iPhone. You got an iPhone. Pretty cry sis, pretty cry. She's always wanted a phone.
Yeah.
Hold this.
Do you want it in black? I think me and Sarah has white.
Yeah, go black, it's better. Oh my god, family, she's always wanted an iPhone. Always wanted an iPhone, and she's finally got her own. Brand new. Oh my gosh. Thanks, Mom. And we're breathless as we come up on the path just to drop Mum off. Okay, so we just parked up and we got all our ula lolis. Chris's flowers. My sass here looking so fire right now. I see you, girl, I see you. Okay, family, so we had to park far because there was no parks. We were struggling to find a car park. So now that we found a park, we are headed up over to Clock Tower Center. That's where they're having the graduation. Oh yes, Bob boys, rocking the aloas, yes. Are you excited to graduate? Yes. Look, baby, over here. Time to follow you. Okay, family, so the kids are coming out. Chris is going to come out, and we've made her a crown of money and chocolate and all her ulan balloons. We even made a chips and a burger one.
Ya lama-lama
can't even see her face. Congrats, girl! Yes, T&SFAMILY!
T&SFAMILY!